Hi everyone. As I go back on my Romans book journey, I've learned so much things about God, faith, and how much He loves us. In the past, I used to think being good enough for God meant doing the right things or trying to be perfect. But Romans showed me that we all sin and fall short of God's glory. That means no one is really perfect. Only Jesus is. It made me realize that I don't have to carry the guilt or sin anymore because Jesus already took it for me. Paul also talked about idolatry. It is when people put other things before God. I saw that sometimes I do too. I'm a people pleaser, like caring more about what others think or spending too much on things that don't really matter. But now I know that God deserves to be the first in my life. I also learned about God's righteousness. It means God is always fair and faithful. He keeps his promises towards us and shows us mercy to those who believe in him. That makes me so thankful to him because it shows how good and loving God truly is. Romans taught me about this justification by faith. It means I am made right with God not because of my good works, but because of my faith in Jesus. That truth gives me peace. I don't need to prove myself because Jesus already did it for me. Abraham's story also reminded me that faith is key. He trusted God completely and that's what made him part of God's family. That helps me see that real faith is about trusting God, not following rules. Lastly, I learned about unity. Both Jews and Gentiles are saved by the same faith. It taught me that we are all equal in God's eyes, no matter what our background or culture or how we are raised. This country, this journey through Romans helped me understand that sin separates us, but grace brings us back. Faith makes us right with God, and righteousness gives us hope and new life. Thank you, and to God be the glory.